Hey, hello friends, we are all doing okay. There are quite a few Python libraries for data visualization these days in the market. MATLAB, Plotlib, and Seaborn are usually the ones that people start with. They are very good libraries, but just lacking a bit of interactive element in my opinion. So today I'll talk about my all-time favorite Python library for data visualization, Plotly. As you can see here, it supports a variety of different graphs and charts for a broad range of contexts. For example, you can use it for AI and machine learning, statistics, financial and geomap. You can also use it for some animations too. You can plot graphs directly within Jupyter Notebook, which you've probably already seen in the videos from my Python example series. And to me, the biggest advantage of this library is that when you hover over the graph, you can also see data labels, which could really improve the readability compared to graphs produced by other visualization libraries. There's also a great Python framework for developing web application built on top of Plotly, which is called Dash. It enables you to build dashboards using pure Python. Dash is open source and its apps around a web browser, so it really opens up a new avenue for you to apply data visualization for real-life problems. Well, for example, I'm now using Dash to build dashboards for my investment research. Although you can have all these graphs in Jupyter Notebook as well, having all these graphs at one place in a web browser without those inline scripts sometimes does provide much better readability and user experience. So if you want to share a dashboard with your friends, you can also deploy it on a hosting server so multiple users can access it in the same time. The documentation for both Plotly and Dash is quite good, and there's a large online user community as well. Even if you're just about to start using this library, don't be afraid. You're not alone and you have tons of support available online. And some people may argue that many BI packages such as Tableau or ClickView can build such dashboards as well. And those tools do not require users to have a lot of coding knowledge, which is totally true. But to me, firstly, those tools are licensed softwares, which means they are not free. Also, at the end of the day, they are off-the-shelf softwares, so you wouldn't have as much room for customization as you would using Python. But it's definitely a personal preference. I've seen many people using those BI packages to build amazing dashboards. So if you have those tools available, do feel free to use them. That's all for this video. Hope it can help you find the best way to visualize data. If you have seen other libraries or tools, do leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.